Alright, on this episode of Kitty's Rants, we're going to be talking about abusive relationships. My homegirl Megan gave me this topic. Thank you. Love you, girl. Yeah. When it comes to abusive relationships, I've been through this personally. Yeah. How am I going to put this into words? The guys that hit girls deserve to be, like, I don't know, dry fucked with a cactus. Okay? And the girls that use those mind games and manipulate good men and abuse them in other ways as well deserve to be sewed shut. Okay? Like, I'm sorry, but if you are with a woman, you do not ever lay a fucking hand on her. I understand if she's hitting you, okay, you restrain her, that's cool. But you do not lay a fucking hand on that girl. And for ladies that do the fucking same bullshit to men, if a good man is willing to do what he needs to do to protect you, to be there for you, and you're gonna turn around and manipulate his mind or fucking beat on him or whatever the fuck, man, no. They don't deserve that. No one deserves that bullshit. Like, this whole topic just makes me want to go beat the shit out of stuff. It just does. I'm talking from personal fucking experience. And because of the personal experience I've been through, I'm one of those types of people that if I ever see a man laying a fucking hand on a woman, so help me God, he's gonna know what it's like to be beaten by a dominant female. Because it's gonna happen. No. And for whenever I see little fucking hoes that decide to fucking manipulate good fucking men or beat on fucking good men, I can't stand by that either. I can't. Like, it's one of my hugest pet peeves and one of the biggest things that gets under my skin. But, yeah. Gonna calm it down a little bit. Please give me more topics, and love y'all.